Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up Touch ID on your iPhone 7. So first you'll unlock it, okay? Then you'll go into settings. Then you go scroll down to Touch ID and passcode. Then you'll get your fingerprints by clicking Add Fingerprint. Then you'll place your fingerprint on there repetitively until all of that goes red. Then it says adjust your grip, so you might go like, so then you click continue and you change the grip so it gets a bit more of your fingerprints. So if you have like a sticking plaster on, it will work. Sometimes it doesn't like to work, but then you get in. But then if you do it more, see it says complete, continue. Then you make a passcode. Okay, so then it will automatically set it. Then you put this account password on. Then you click continue, and it should start your new passcode. Then after that's loaded and set it, then you can go, then all of them should be ticked. If they're not, you should tick all of them. All of the ones you want for the fingerprint. So up here. So then you'll log in again. And then password autofill. I'll just delete that fingerprint because I've got all mine on. Then you've got everything, see? Anyway, thanks for watching the video and please subscribe. Thank you.